services and contact. Okay, then following that, we have the header. Okay, so we can try to call this header, we can try to call it hero. Okay, so this is, we have the my awesome website learning HTML layout the right way. Okay, you look at TechiesReign's website here, we have it here. So these are our own first our header area. Okay, our hero. Okay, so even though this hero is having two sections, okay, we have the these ones with the head, the H1 or the H2, and the button, then with this side which is having the we're having the image here. Okay, so this is our header or our hero section. Okay, so it's now divided into two. Okay, you can tell it can be one. Okay, you can just have it. Okay, here now we have, okay, this here they have a side. Okay, then they have the major center hero area, then we have another aside here. Okay, so it depends on what you want to do. Okay, it depends on the design you have at hand that you are working on. Okay, that's what will determine what you use or what your layout will look like. Okay, good. So then after that, after our hero, okay, after our hero section, okay, then we can have our side. Okay, we can have our side. So yeah, you can see that we have the aside here. So the aside can be for an ads. Okay, the aside can display quite a lot of things. Okay, okay, let's look at YouTube, for example. Let's look at YouTube, for example. Okay, so now coming to YouTube, can you see now we have on this side? So now this, it can be a menu. Okay, this can be called a menu. Okay, but it's still on the side. Okay, so we have a sites like that can represent different things. Okay, let's look at this Jumia page also. Let's try to see. So we have a side here too. You have seen the sites that we have here. Okay, so so it can be anything. Okay, it can be a blog post, it can be an advert, it can be anything depending on what you are doing on your website. Okay, or what the company you are designing for does. Okay, so that's very important. Okay, so then we also have another thing we call okay, so now before I go to that, now here I used main here. Okay, I used main here, and the main here it's showing the whole content area, that is from this place, from this top right here. So it's covering for everything inside this place. Okay, both this article area and this quick tip area, they are all wrapped inside